Mommy and Piper, Mommy and Piper, cooking videos. Hey everybody! You gonna say hi?
Hey everybody.
So today we're gonna make, do you remember what we're making today?
Meatballs.
Oh, almost. It's kind of like meatballs. It's sausage balls.
I like sausage balls.
Yes, me too. So this is a great way to have a quick breakfast or a snack. And it is keto friendly, low carb that we're going to make today. And she's already eating the cheese. Why do you like cheese so much?
Go.
All right, so let's tell them what all we got. We've got a pound of some sausage. We're going to have 4 tablespoons of some butter, a couple tablespoons of some sour cream, cheese, which we're going to put over there. We're going to be using about 1/3 of a cup of some coconut flour, and we've got some eggs and also some baking powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this sausage cooked on the stove, and then we'll be back to show you the rest. What's up with the faces? Okay, so the sausage is done, and I am going to bring that over in just a minute. Why are you doing your frowny face? All right. Ooh, watch out. Okay, so we're going to dump all the eggs in here. 4 eggs. And I'm just going to whisk these real quick. And then I'm going to have Piper put in our other stuff for us. Okay, so Piper, I need you to add to this. Whoa.
The fork.
What is Daddy doing with the knife over there? Okay, we don't want to lose our fork, so let's put that right there. Okay, so we've got the eggs. Can you pour in the butter? Only hold it by the handle, because what I did was I had to melt the butter, so it's been melted. Put that butter in there.
I like butter.
You like butter. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of some sour cream. Do you want to add it? Where are you going?
Daddy.
I think I lost my helper here.
Stop it. Thank you. Please stop it.
All right.
Stop it.
2 tablespoons of some sour cream.
Stop. Do that, Piper.
And we're going to get this all together. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of some salt. If I can get this whisked together. This bowl wants to eat this. I lost my helper. I lost her, y'all. She's done. It's not a Mommy and Piper cooking video without Piper. I'm going to add just a little bit of some garlic. I'm going to add like about a teaspoon, just to kind of give it a little bit of some flavor. All right, so that's all in. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our coconut flour. And the recipe calls for, if I can get this out, the recipe calls for like a heaping 1/3 of a cup. So make sure you get quite a bit. It gives it more of a doughy texture. And then we're also going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of some baking powder. I've got the aluminum-free kind here. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all together. Okay. Starts to come together pretty nice. I think the reason she left is because she hasn't had a nap today. We don't usually give her naps on the weekend just because we like for her to go to bed. But she still naps at school, so. Okay. Now I'm going to add the sausage to this mixture here. And 2 cups of some shredded cheese. I am just roughly eyeballing it because I don't have my cheese connoisseur here with me. Then we're going to mix this all together. And once I get this mixed all together, oh, perfect timing. My oven has been preheated to 375 degrees. I have a cookie sheet lined over here. And what I'm going to do next is I am going to get a spoon. I don't know where my cookie scoop is. I'd rather use that. But you're just going to put this into some balls, roll them up with your hand, put them up here on your prepared pan. And I'm going to get these all done, and I am going to bake them for 14 to 18 minutes in the oven on 375. So we'll be back when we're done. And they're done.
Yeah, done.
So now we're going to try them. So come here. These are how many that we made, and they came out really good. Piper, come try these real quick. Can you come try it?
No.
They're really good. They smell really good. You don't have to add the garlic.
I like it. I want to taste it.
Oh, no, you do? Okay. They're really, really good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, hold on. Okay. Good? What'd you think?
It's not tasty.
So these will be breakfast for me. They'll keep for a while in a sealed container in the refrigerator. Just zap them in the microwave for like less than 30 seconds or so, and you have you a nice, quick, easy breakfast.